Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the Canon T70 camera that I have. It takes up AA batteries, and you can see the aesthetics of the front. This is the top, one side, the other side, and this is the bottom. Alright, so it's quite an interesting camera. It comes with the AE exposure mode and average mode, and can adjust ISO, battery checker, can change the modes, got program mode, program, tally. I think this is aperture priority and shutter priority mode. Can change the shutter speeds. The maximum is 1000 shutter. The minimum is bulb mode. Actually, it's 2 seconds. So yeah, okay. I can show you the shutter speeds to show you how it works. I'm gonna open up. Alright. So we're gonna start with 1000 shutter. Okay. Okay, 500. Okay. 250. Okay. Then now it's 125. Okay. 60 shutter. 30 shutter. 15. 8 seconds. Quarter. Sorry, just now was not 8 seconds, it's 1/8 seconds. Sorry. This is half. Now 1 second. Now it's 2 seconds. Alright. And then now it's bulb mode, which I'm gonna show you now. Again. Yeah, there you go. So the camera works fine. These are interiors of the camera. I find it quite interesting. Yeah, it's like a nice little robust camera. They can do like some automatic stuff. Quite interesting. But yeah, if you find this video helpful or if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. It would really help. And yeah, if you want to buy this, you can let me know. Then I can sell the camera to you lah. So what's this? Okay, anyways. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Thanks for dropping by.